News coming in on the call of the Muslim Personal Law Board during the Ramzan month and in the past few days of Eid and the prayers. Some people in Muzaffarnagar had tied black bands, remember? There were visuals also coming in. Police is taking action in this matter. We are told that police appears to have identified more than 300 people and have issued them notices as well. They've been asked to appear before the magistrate and get their bail. So there's action coming in over the black band protest. Remember that this was not part of the violent protest, and this was more symbolic. Many members of the Muslim community were seen protesting what they believed was infringement on Muslim rights. But it appears that the police, and this primarily focuses on Uttar Pradesh, in Muzaffarnagar specifically, which does have a predominant and prominent Muslim community presence, tied black bands protesting against the Waqf amendment bill. Police appears to have sent them notices. They will have to come in and seek bail. They'll have to be present before the magistrate. But can the black band also, remember, be seen as a peaceful democratic protest? Does it deserve police action on this? Let's listen in to what the cops are saying.
वर्तमान परिदृश्य में जनपद मुजफ्फरनगर में शांति व्यवस्था कायम करने के लिए ऐसे असामाजिक तत्व जो जनपद की शांति व्यवस्था को बिगाड़ सकते हैं, इसमें से लगभग 300 से अधिक लोगों को चिन्हित किया गया था और उनको बीएनएसएस की धारा 126, 135 के तहत इनको मुचलका पाबंद करवाया गया है। इनको नोटिस सर्व किए गए हैं और हम लोग लगातार धर्मगुरुओं से संपर्क बनाए हुए हैं और जनपद में सुरक्षा व्यवस्था और शांति व्यवस्था पूर्ण तरह से कायम है।
My colleague Samarth Srivastav is joining me on this big story because this appeared to be, Samarth, a peaceful and many would say a democratic protest. Why do you think then in Muzaffarnagar police is going after some of these protesters?
See, it was a peaceful protest because it was not just similar to Muzaffarnagar. It happened in Lucknow, it happened in Ramzan and various districts of Uttar Pradesh. And as it was the order from the AIMPLP to, in a way, give a silent protest over this particular issue. As now we are getting the information that authorities have issued notices to 300 people for protesting against the Waqf Act by wearing black badges during the Friday prayers in mosques, and also asked them to furnish bonds of rupees 2 lakhs each. That's what a police officer has said. The figures stood at 24 till Saturday. That's what SP City, Satyan Narayan Prajapati said, and said that notices were served to 200 people and they are identifying the people through the CCTV footage. Also, efforts are on to identify more people according to that particular SP City. So, it's worth mentioning that the notices were issued by City Magistrate Vikas Kashyap based on the police report asking the protesters to furnish a bond of 2 lakhs each. After appearing before court on April 15, those who have been served notices wore black badges on their arms during Friday prayers at different mosques here on 28th March to protest against the Waqf Act. Also, it's going to be worth seeing. This might be involved in some other case which was on to them before that particular incident, but it's going to be worth seeing how the police investigation leads to, because if it is just about wearing that particular black badge, then yes, obviously opposition is going to take hard on the BJP. That's you.
So, Samarth, do you see this possibly in other districts as well? Any response from the Muslim community yet? Or perhaps we'll be waiting for those updates on that in the next few hours today?
It's going to be worth seeing because what information we have so far is that comes from the police of Muzaffarnagar, and they are saying that they also had some cases in the names before, but it's going to be worth seeing how the investigation unfolds, because if this is just about that black ribbon, then we can expect some more cases to be registered in various districts, because in Lucknow we saw how Namazis gathered in large numbers in the Tilewali Masjid, in the Eidgah. Also in Delhi we saw. So I can clearly say, if you talk about the districts, more than lakhs of Namazis entered inside the mosque wearing that particular black ribbon. Not just the normal people, even those who were the Islamic Center President Mehri and other senior Maulanas of the community who were wearing that particular black badge. So that was the type of protest. They were also saying that they are not going to be violent. They just want their voice to be registered in the media and in the government, and that's why they are doing this particular silent protest, from which we don't think that anybody would have any problem whatsoever.
All right, so we'll see if there's a political showdown on this. Will the Muslim groups, the parties, especially Samajwadi Party and AIM, respond to this? We'll be tracking that. Thank you very much for now, Samarth Srivastav.